think it was Wednesday or Thursday this week. I can't remember, but it was the only day this whole year where I'm out feeding before I leave work and I can see my breath. 10 days later, it's supposed to be almost 90. I had apple trees already flowering before that cold snap. Is that going to freeze off the flowers?
Well, it didn't get that cold.
Okay.
Sometimes if we get a real, like a hailstorm or something really windy or a heavy rain, it can knock them off. But no, I don't know how I was.
Wasn't cold enough long enough.
Yeah, no, it's been a weird. We had some, in like early December, it got a little bit chilly. And then, man, January was like March weather. And then this last couple of weeks has been more like January weather. And then it's going to end like May weather. So it's a little goofy, but you just have to get out there and get it going because it usually evens itself out like it did this week. Mother Nature's good at balancing things. So if we're getting warmer than normal, we'll probably be colder than normal at some point.